Hey guys, Josh Luck with Luck Landscaping, and we are here at the Lake Erie Islands Nature and Wildlife Center. You got to check this place out. All kinds of cool taxidermy. Look at the timber wolf, wolverine, red fox. This place is amazing. Look at the grizzly bear, black bear, the giant elk, all kinds of cool fossils, vertebrates. This is a nature preserve and educational center. All kinds of rocks and geodes from the caves. Here is an indoor aquascape ecosystem pond with turtles. Turtle pond. Oh, there they are. There our turtles are right there.